in a heartland I rented with you.
What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today the snow has stopped, we can finally breathe. The sun is out. I'm taking as much sunlight as I possibly can, and we're just gonna enjoy the day today. It's not that cold. It's -8 right now. Still pretty cold, but not as much as the previous days. So I can finally just run the car smoothly without thinking about if I'm gonna be in an accident or not. So stay tuned for more. We're gonna do all 4 machines today, all cash collection at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Before going obviously to the machines, well, you know me guys, I didn't have to go by Costco to buy just some small products. I didn't have to buy a lot this time since I didn't really need that much, but we did pass by and we got a couple things. And we are finally done. Okay, so we just did a quick stop at Costco and we got a few things. I got a new product actually. I got these things right here. I got these things right here, but I don't know if they will work. So we're gonna try those out and see if it works. Total bill for that day was $102.03. You can also remove the $12.46 of the kimchi noodles, since at the end they didn't end up fitting inside the machine, so I had to return them for the refund. Now we're at machine number 1. It does look like not a lot of stuff sold, but I'm gonna show you a small picture, a small video part of what sold after St. Valentine's Day, and you're gonna see that a lot of stuff went away actually. I didn't have my normal camera strap for this filming of this video, but I end up discovering a small little neat trick that if I did put the camera on the top of the machine, it could see pretty well. So let me know if you guys like it on this angle, and I'll keep filming it for next times. And for that day's cash collection, it looked pretty slow, but trust me, there's a lot of card sales that were done as well, so I'll let you guys know at the end of this video. Again, let me know if you guys like this camera angle. I feel like it looks pretty nice actually. I kid you not, while I was filming, I took back the phone from the top and I realized that it was completely gone out of battery, so I wasn't able to film the last part for the drinks. But yeah, that's the cash collection for that machine. It did pretty good, as well as the card sales, so I'm gonna let you guys know at the end of this video the total amount for all machines. Alright, now we're finished with location number 1 and location number 2. Now we're gonna do location number 3 and location number 4. So let's get into this. I'm pretty tired.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you. Remembering the holiday party we had.
And here we are at location number 3. Kind of a lot of stuff sold this time. Pretty good movement for products. Not bad at all.
Roaming the garden. Saturday we spent in a parking lot. Gave it all we got. It was so
As I said before, I don't fill this machine up as much since the sales are not pretty quick. Cash collection was pretty good for that one, not gonna complain. And we're all done with location number 3. Now we're at location number 4. As you can see, a lot of stuff has been gone, but the new products weren't really liked by the customers. My luck wasn't really on my side that day. My phone ran out of battery right again. Cash collection for that 4th location, unfortunately, was pretty slow. Can't say nothing much about that. Stuff happens. It's something that happens in business. Some days are good, some days are bad. And that's it, guys. We're basically all done with all 4 machines. So the total amount just for the cash was $204 for that particular week, which was kind of pretty slow, but you know, it's normal. It's some stuff happens during business. Some days are good, some days are bad. Then after that, for the credit card statements, it was a total of $171.68 for 1 week. So the total amount for 2 weeks should be, and what actually got deposited was $243.48, which is the amount for 2 weeks. So in total for that week, including credit card sales and cash sales, it should be a total of $375.48. And that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. For next time, for the next video, I have a pretty cool one set for you guys. I don't want to tell you guys yet exactly where I went, but let me tell you, it involves Toronto, the city where I used to live in before I used to live in Montreal. So yeah, I'll be going to Toronto for a conference, and it's gonna be pretty cool. So I'm gonna be filming that there, and stay tuned for that video coming up maybe in the next weekend. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful rest of your day.